Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick comparison between Shopify and BigCommerce, and also to answer the question at the end, which one is better? If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. So Shopify is better for direct-to-customer or DTC brands that wants a fast, highly optimized checkout and a massive app ecosystem. BigCommerce right here is better for complex enterprise architectures, hybrid B2B DTC models, and massive catalogs that require advanced built-in features without relying on third-party plugins. So why choose Shopify? Shopify functions as an ultra-optimized commerce engine focused heavily on conversion speed, user-friendliness, and marketing flexibility. The native Shop Pay checkout is the fastest converting payment funnel on the internet, vastly outperforming BigCommerce standard cart experience. With over 13,000 apps, you can integrate hyper-specific loyalty software, localized logistic providers, and cutting-edge marketing automations instantly. And if you operate a brick-and-mortar storefront alongside your digital business, Shopify POS seamlessly bridges physical and digital inventory. BigCommerce relies entirely on third-party POS connectors. Now, Shopify does not punish success. You can stay on the $39 per month basic plan even if you make millions in revenue. So why choose BigCommerce? BigCommerce is built as an open SaaS framework, maximizing out-of-the-box system complexity and technical SEO control. You can manage up to 5 unique brands or international storefronts from a single non-enterprise dashboard. Doing this on Shopify requires an enterprise Shopify Plus contract or plan. So for BigCommerce, custom customer groups, price list, volume discounts, and code generators are built directly into the core platform. BigCommerce does not charge platform transaction fees, giving you full choice over payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. Unlike Shopify's strict and rigid URL structures, for example, under product's name or product's name, BigCommerce gives you full control over URL rewriting and nesting. So go ahead and choose Shopify if you are a B2C or DTC brand focused on rapid growth, ease of use, dropshipping, heavily social selling, or want success to the highest converting single-click checkout. Now go ahead and use BigCommerce if you run a hybrid wholesale retail model. It could be B2B or B2C, or need to operate multiple web domains from one backend without paying for enterprise tiers, or have a complex catalog with multiple variant tiers. So that is a quick comparison between Shopify and BigCommerce. And I hope that also answers the question, which one is better? So I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.